morning, students from first grade. Good morning, families. Welcome to a new class. First of all, today is Tuesday. Okay, tell me what's the weather like today, please. Okay, here you have 3 glasses. These are glasses, okay? And here I have colorful papers. Okay, a heart, yes, star, and like moon, kind of moon, yes. Okay, I'm going to do like magic, like this. Okay, but oh my god, yeah, there, can you see? Okay, you have to remember, yes, this one, it will be here, this one will be in the second, and this one in the third. I'm going to move the glasses and you have to remember, yes, remember where is the heart, this one. You have to remember, where is it? Where is it? Not this one, this one, this one, okay? Let's start, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I start moving them, okay? I start moving them. Yes? Did you pay attention? Did you pay attention? Okay. Where is the pink? Think. The pink is in the middle. Did you listen to me? What color is it? Pink. What color is it? Pink. Very good. Pink starts with the sound pink, pink. Good? Pink. What other words do you know? There is an animal who makes this. Pig, pig. So we have pink, pink, and pig. The sound we learn today is very good. Today we are learning a new sound. You are learning a new sound. Okay? Good. Excellent. Here, acá en la plataforma ya están listas las activities para que las comiencen a realizar. Yes? Good luck. Bye bye.